Well, after I had cleaned up a little bit where we parked last night, I came to Walmart, which is over there. I needed to pick up a couple things. And then I come by this van, and he thought maybe I was going to ticket him because my van has this vest in front, and I had a feeling he thought that. Anyway, I came by and I asked him some questions. Turns out, hi Carl.
Hi.
He's this is actually his first night. Tell us about how did it go there, Carl? So you got your Vanlife shoes on.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So I just put a queen size bed in the back of my van, and last night was my first night sleeping in it.
Wow.
And yeah, it was good, other than having to run to the bushes to pee in the morning.
Yeah, well, how'd that go? How did you like it?
It was fine.
You liked it, eh?
Yeah, it was.
So, you mind if we
cool.
take a tour?
Yeah, sure, I'll show you.
Well, that's awesome. Oh yeah, that's a pretty nice sized bed.
It's pretty basic. I just built a bed frame with my uncle and threw it in. I have a queen size bed in my van, so basically the bed takes up most of the space. But if you cut around, like basically storage and stuff around the back,
right,
whatnot. I have room to throw my bike in here too.
Oh,
so I got
that's
this
good.
from my aunt and uncle. They lent me this because they're in Africa right now, and it plugs into your cigarette lighter, and it's a fridge.
Yes, who makes it?
It's by Coolatron.
It sounds like it's very Coolatron.
Yeah.
So
that sounds like something from the 80s or 90s.
So in other words, you plug it into your
bike in there.
cigarette. That's great. Lighter, and it charges as you drive.
Yeah.
And then it stays.
They got some pee bottles.
Oh, there's the infamous pee bottles.
Little risky, middle of the night, you know.
Yeah. Yes. Sounds like you got the it figured out already, Carl. So, Carl, do you have a YouTube channel?
I guess Carl Olivato, C-A-R-L, and then last name O-L-I-V-O-T-T-O.
Are you gonna do a van?
Maybe. I have
channel?
some random videos, but I used to put some RuneScape videos on there, but I deleted that a long time ago. So yeah, it's just a van. It's pretty basic.
Yeah, but you're gonna figure things out. It's gonna come to you. You're gonna see other people.
Just first night in the van. So.
Yeah, well, you got what you need, right? You got a nice place to sleep, and you figure it out. And you said you were over by. Did you say you were by the ocean last night? I can't remember.
Yeah, I slept by the harbor in Nanaimo. I kind of just passed out there.
That's
I kind of just rolled up, and then I was like, should I get up or not? And then I laid down in my queen, and I was like, no, I'm going to sleep.
Well, that's sort of the kind of picturesque place I'd like, and we ended up on a cul-de-sac. It was beautiful. Anyway, so I should probably let you go. Hey, Carl, it was really nice. Oh, we need a hug. I think we need a hug.
Big shot.
Oh, we need a hug. I don't know if I got that in the video.
Okay.
Oops. Anyway, Carl's gonna, test out his stove here.
Yeah, I'm gonna test out my stove, see if it works.
So I might park a little farther away from you there, Carl. He's got a stove there. And I'll go locate where's Wendy. Don't forget to share your smiles. Here you go. Hey, so Carl, I guess that
Oh, now that we're on video, we gotta be all.
It turned out to be too old, hey?
Yeah.
So
it's kind of fail.
Are you kind of copying the painted rock technique?
This spray paint is actually.
That's cool though. Yeah, it's crying. And oh, well, look at that. That's fantastic. Let's see it. What are we gonna name him?
Billy Bob.
Billy Bob.
Billy Bob is waiting.
We got some first-hand graffiti right here in Nanaimo, BC.
Billy Bob is waiting for you.
Billy Bob.
The Northern Nanaimo Walmart, if you would like him in your Vanlife vehicle. He's a 1987 propane canister. Whatever size this is, a small one. So if you would like Billy Bob in your Vanlife vehicle, we're gonna go put him over here for you. Where I'll show you.
Okay.
I'll even do a signature Special signature for Billy Bob.
Billy Bob's available here.
Maybe.
There's his signature, Billy
You
Bob.
really can't see it.
Boy, it looks like you're a real
Billy Bob right there.
Looks like you're a real artist of the.
Yeah, see, we got Billy Bob. We're gonna put him over here with the behind this guy's camper.
It's like I've known you my whole life, there, Carl. Well, there it is. If you want it, I guess you can come and get that.
There.
First edition. Okay then, Carl. You've got some art going on there, some graffiti.
Yeah, so, anybody, if you want Billy Bob, he's here at Northern Nanaimo Walmart.
Thanks a lot, Carl.
It's right over there.
Yes,
He's waiting for you.
Awesome. And Carl's doing
This is a free spirit.
Walmart yoga. Way to go, Carl. Well, I'm probably going to leave the parking lot soon. And today, I decided to leave a rock. Where did I leave a rock? Oh, I left a rock right there. There's the rock. Let's see that rock close up there, Carl. That's the rock Carl's got. Have a wonderful day.
Bye, love you.
Love you.